What if I told you the best value fitness tracker in 2025 ISNT, an Apple Watch or a Garmin S, the Fitbit Charge 6? With Google Smarts baked in, GPS that actually works, and heart tracking tech that rivals pro-grade monitors, this might be Fitbit's most complete wearable yet. But is it really worth the upgrade or even your money at all? Stick around, we've got the full breakdown. Product overview. The Fitbit Charge 6, launched in late 2023 by Google-owned Fitbit, is a premium fitness tracker that blends health monitoring, smart features, and stylish design in a compact form. It's the successor to the Charge 5 and is aimed at fitness enthusiasts, casual users, and even data geeks looking to monitor their well-being without splurging on a full-fledged smartwatch. Why does it matter? Because it's Fitbit's first serious attempt at integrating Google's ecosystem complete with YouTube Music, Google Maps, and Google Wallet Tin, 2, a compact device under $160. This hybrid approach means it is not just a step counter anymore. It is a full-blown health companion, performance. In day-to-day use, the Fitbit Charge 6 is snappy and efficient. The touchscreen interface feels smoother than the Charge 5. The AMOLED display remains clear, even under bright sunlight. From gym workouts to long hikes, it keeps up without a hiccup. Built-in GPS accuracy has seen a major boost. It now locks onto satellites faster and tracks distances more precisely, especially compared to earlier Fitbit models. Where it really shines is heart rate tracking. Fitbit claims Charge 6 is 60% more accurate during intense workouts and, in real-world tests, it kept pace with chest straps from Polar and Wahoo. Whether you're lifting weights or doing HIIT, captures heart rate spikes and recoveries almost instantly. Stress management, SPO2, skin temperature, ECG, and sleep tracking are all present and very consistent. We did notice that syncing data to the app takes a second longer than expected, but not a deal breaker. And unlike some budget wearables, this one doesn't miss steps or short walking sessions. Surprise, the haptic button is back. After being removed in the Charge 5, it's a welcome return for easier control during workouts. Features and tech. The Fitbit Charge 6 is loaded with smarter features than ever before. Here are some standouts. Built-in GPS with GLONASS. More precise outdoor tracking without needing your phone. Runners and cyclists will appreciate the improved accuracy. Google Maps and Google Wallet. You can navigate and make contactless payments right from your wrist. Huge leap from earlier Fitbit-only ecosystems. Real-time heart zone training. During workouts, the screen shows your live heart rate zone, helping you push harder or pull back strategically. 24/7 heart rate with PurePulse 2.0. Tracks your heart health with more granularity and less lag than previous generations. Bonus. It supports YouTube Music controls compared to the Charge 5. This feels significantly more smartwatch-like, without the added bulk or price tag. With the latest Fitbit Premium subscription, you'll unlock in-depth metrics like readiness scores, guided workouts, and detailed sleep insights. While not necessary, Premium definitely enhances the long-term value if you're serious about fitness. Design and build. The Charge 6 looks sleek, modern, and minimal, almost like a slimmed-down smartwatch. The aluminum case is lightweight yet durable, and the silicone infinity band is comfortable enough for all-day wear. Fitbit added a new haptic side button, which improves navigation, especially during workouts. At just 1.3 inches long and weighing under 30 grams, it's small but mighty. The AMOLED screen is sharp and vibrant, with fluid animations and customizable watch faces. Color options include obsidian, porcelain, and coral leech, with a sporty but classy vibe. No bulk, no distractions, just streamlined function. Pros. Precise heart rate and GPS built-in maps. Wallet, music sleek. Light AMOLED design, powerful fitness tools, and compact form. Cons. Some smart features require a phone nearby, no music storage or call handling. Battery life. Battery life is where the Charge 6 quietly dominates. You'll get up to 7 days on a single charge with normal usage, and around 4 to 5 days with always-on display and regular GPS workouts. Charging is quick, just 1 hour gives you nearly 80%. Compared to bulkier smartwatches like the Galaxy Watch or Apple Watch, say, it's a refreshing break from daily charging stress. The Fitbit app remains one of the best fitness apps out there. clean UI, detailed graphs, and deep health insights. New users can still enjoy most of the core features without paying for premium, though advanced sleep scores and wellness reports are locked behind the subscription. You can also sync data with Google Fit, Strava, and MyFitnessPal. For Android users, especially those with Pixel phones, integration feels seamless. Final verdict. So, is the Fitbit Charge 6 worth it? Absolutely, if you want a feature-packed tracker with serious health tech, Google integration, and excellent battery life. It's not a smartwatch replacement, but it's not trying to be. At under $160, the Charge 6 brings insane value, especially for Android users who need a full Wear OS device. If you re-upgrading from a Charge 4 or earlier, or you a fitness-first user wanting better accuracy without a smartwatch distractions, this is a no-brainer. The only caveat is the push toward Fitbit Premium for in-depth insights. But even without it, Charge 6 is still one of the most capable fitness bands available in 2025.